Hi, my name is Robert Kabiko, and welcome to IgniteWebsiteMarketing.com, your #1 source for website design, digital marketing, and SEO. I am here to give you tips so you can increase leads online and make money. So today we're going to talk about SEO. And what is SEO? SEO, it stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the ability for your website to be found in the Google search engines and other search engines and get traffic through those search engines when people go to search for a key term. How do we go about optimizing a website? Well, there's many factors that play into your search engine optimization. First off, it's the amount of key terms that people are searching for. So if you have a website or a blog, you want to be sure to include some key terms that people would be searching for in the search engines. So when they go to search that particular term in the search engine, your website will show up in the search results. Another thing that helps increase your search engine optimization results is to have quality content on your website. And this is content that is going to make you appear to be an authority in your line of work. So when you're doing your website content, you want to be able to pump up as much content as possible, but make sure it's really valuable and information is accurate, and a lot of people enjoy what they're reading, and they're sharing your blog or sharing your website with other people, because this will help increase your results. Finally, you can also optimize your site through backlinks, and backlinks is when your website link is on another person's website and then it points back to your website. This will show in Google's eyes when it goes to crawl your page, since your link appears on this site and that site, that you're an authoritative figure and that your website is strong enough to maintain authority. So I hope you found some value in this, and if you want to learn more about SEO, please subscribe to the channel, because next time I'll be breaking down these concepts into more detail so you can understand them more and apply them to your website marketing strategy.